In this video, I'm going to attempt to change the timing chain guide on this 2003 540i MTech. I'm going to attempt to do it without timing tools, and I'm going to try to do it as cheap as possible, meaning I'm going to try to reuse all of the gaskets and apply silicone to them, because I want to fix this as cheap as possible. I'm not going to go into explanation how do you get to the chain, because there's many videos on YouTube how to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to stop this video now and continue when I get to replacing the timing guide without timing tools. I got to the point where I can see that the chain is totally loose, and the guide, the plastic piece that goes on the guide, is totally gone. And I can already see some pieces here. Look at it. I don't know if you can see that. There's a big chunk right here stuck. Look at that. That's the problem on these engines. M62tub44. I got to the guides and I found out one of the guides is actually broken. Probably a piece of this guide fall into it and cause it to break, so I gotta buy two guides now, this one and this one. In order to see the, I made sure that this timing chain is tight on the outside and loose on the inside, so I can change this guide without timing tools. And I made sure that the timing chain does not skip here, and as you can see I marked it here so it didn't skip there. Also inspect the cover, see where the chain was riding, because the guide failed. If the chain ate too much of this, then you might need another cover. I got the new part, Febby, made in China. So this guide only broke because some of the debris got onto this side and broke this guide. Otherwise I didn't need to buy it. This is also aftermarket Febby. They actually say that this is good. I mean, the plastic on this is higher quality, believe it or not, but I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this right now without any timing tools. As you can see, the timing chain is where it needs to be. It didn't move at all. So I'm going to install this guide first and then this. I'm ready to install the U-shaped guide. I installed the Torx here. Now I just slide it over, plug it in here. Use the 8mm socket to tighten this Torx right here. The regular Torx is not going to clear the chain. I almost forgot this. Here you go, guys. No timing tools. Guides are installed. Chain did not skip. Sprockets, I marked them all. See, I marked that one, this one, and this one. So I'm going to put the lower cover first. As you can see here, this is my special tool right here to hold the tensioner, and clears enough for the bottom cover to bolt on. Anybody can do this. I don't know why these other guys are saying that you need all these special tools and spend a bunch of money to fix this. Well, I got $100 so far into it for the two guides. I'm going to use the silicone for the rest, and then we'll see if it runs right. Putting everything back together. I didn't even buy a single gasket. I just used these silicones. Every time I use them, they never leak on me. So almost there. I'm gonna start it and see if it's all good, and put the rest of the parts back on there. I just started it cold. As you can see, there's no check engine after 1 week of driving. Now let's hear the engine. As you can hear, the engine runs smooth. That's how you do it. There's no oil leaks. I checked. There's no oil leaks. I checked after 7 days. Runs like new. That's how you do it, folks. Like the video and subscribe. If you like this content, I'll make more of it.